Okay, this is going to be the sensor that I'm sending you. It has 2 connection points. What you're going to do is remove the bottom piece here, which is not glued on, for the purpose of wiring. So you can see this part is loose. Pull out your wire, and you're going to see 2 holes on the end that are not being used. We're going to put both of the ends of the wires in those 2 holes, 1 and 2. We're going to start with putting the wire with the letters on the side of the wire. That one's going to go on the far outside hole, and then the ones with no text are going to go in the hole next to it. In order to get these things in, you're going to point the pointy side up, and we're going to go in the hole. And then on the inside, you can see where the pin enters into the hole right there. Once you've got the pin into the hole, you can push it all the way in until you hear a click, and then the wire is in place. This one's obviously still sticking out. I don't want to push it all the way in. But once it's all the way in, you'll notice it should look the same as all the other pins that are currently inside. And you're going to put the one with the text on the outside and the one with no text right beside it on the inside. Once you've got that plugged in, you can feed the sensor part back through, and then just push it up the arm and just keep feeding it through as far as you can. Doesn't really matter where it is, it just needs to be inside of the mirror for it to function. Once you get that inside, close it all up, plug it in, and make sure there's no error codes. Once you have that, you can reinstall the whole mirror and you should be good to go.